discuss the production of milk depends on temperature. So animals, even though they are good and healthy, even though they are very good crossbreeds and they are very good in the giving the milk production, but that depends on one factor. That's nothing but the temperature. The temperature or environmental conditions. So temperature or environmental conditions in the sense of every time we are not having the same kind of environmental conditions. We have generally the seasons are there, the summer season, winter season and rainy season usually, right? So summer season is too much hot, we know that, and comparatively the winter season and rainy season, right? So here it is, we can see the month of April and May, almost the summer season is going on, right? So during summer season, the more temperatures are there, so it is not so comfortable temperature and comfortable environmental conditions for animals, right? They are consuming more milk and they got evaporated, right? So that during the month of April and May, we can see that the production of milk is very less. The production of milk is very less. So here it is in the month of November and December. This is the season, November and December, right? So this November and December is a winter season, cool season. So no temperatures are high and animals are not get dehydrated. The animals need not get to drink more water, so that the milk production rate is more. The milk production rate is more during the month of November and December. So you can see that depends on these months and the production of milk. Definitely we can say that the production of milk depends on temperature. If temperature is more, the production of milk is less. When temperature is less, the production of milk is more. Right here, it is actually the milk production got increased by a person who is nothing but the Professor J.K. Currier. He is the professor who started the milk production, increasing of milk production, right? So we can consider him as a father of white revolution. We can consider the J.K. Currier in India, particularly in India, is a father of white revolution. White revolution in the sense of increasing the milk production, increasing milk production. So this is also most important bit in the competitive examinations also you can consider, right? Later, animals or need food. In the beginning we discussed, right? In the animal husbandry, food, shelter and protection are most important, right? In the food, the first thing when you take the food, right? Animals need two different types of foods. Animal needs two different types of foods. What? The two types of foods. One type of food for animals to maintain themselves healthy. To maintain themselves healthy, right? Whatever the food they are eating, the food what they are eating is one purpose to fulfill them is maintaining one's health, right? The second type of food the animals need to give the good quality of milk, so that the people, those who are maintaining the animal husbandry, they need to provide the food, one for the keep them healthy and another for giving the good quality of milk. They must know all this, right? And usually when the cows and buffaloes, when they are laying when they are giving birth to the young ones are yielding the young ones, and after that they are giving that a different kind of a milk, nothing but the yellow color milk is generally called as a colostrum. This yellow color milk produced by the mother cows and buffaloes after the delivery of the young ones is called colostrum. It contains A, D, E vitamins also, and also they are improving the immunity power of the young one, and they are containing more nutrients comparatively the normal regular white colored milk, so that immediately after the birth the young ones which are came out of the mother's womb, they need to protect themselves from the disease causing pathogens. So they need more protection. They have to improve the resistance power so that the mother or parental organisms are producing this kind of a yellow color milk to improve the immunity power in the young ones, and they containing more nutrients and also vitamin A, D, E also. Right here it is. If anyone need to purchase the cows or buffaloes, right, in villages there are some kind of markets also be going on that to selling and purchasing the cows and buffaloes, right? So if anyone going to purchase any kind of a cow or buffalo, and they need to see some important things in the animal. What was that? Just we see here, the few important things need to be checked before they are going to be purchasing any kind of thing. One is a traditional hybrid. Before they are going to buy the cow or buffalo, they need to check whether that breed is a traditional breed or a hybrid. Okay, the latter, the second thing they need to choose is a average milk production in a day. Average milk production in a day. Usually some nonsense things also happening at the time of selling and buying, right? The people those are selling the cows and buffaloes, before they are selling in the market, they are giving some hormonal injections to them. So what happened when they are giving the hormonal injections, for few days they will give the good milk production. After that the milk production rate will gradually decreasing, so the people those who are purchasing this, they need to check 3-4 days or 5 days continuously the same kind of milk they are producing or not. The next one is a number of yields. Number of yields in the sense of how many young ones they given birth. Right? The cow or a buffalo, how many young ones they given birth. Because the production of milk rate is gradually decreasing after giving the young ones. Right? If they are giving the 3-4 young ones, the milk production automatically decreasing. So this is also most important point to purchase cows or buffalo. The next is that physical appearance, the body shape, how it will be, and how much fodder they can able to eat, how much capacity of the eating ability, right? Later, the health checkup. So usually there are some doctors or they to be check the animal's health also. With the help of these those doctors need to check the health of the particular cow or buffalo, whether it is completely healthy or not. So these are the most important things to be checked before going to purchase any cow or a buffalo, any kind of an animal, right? This is regarding the temperature is also a part of the production of milk and selection of the breed.